Cassava is a vital root crop grown in tropical regions worldwide, supporting millions of farmers and communities. Its versatility makes it an essential ingredient for producing starch, which is widely used in food, textiles, and industrial products. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through the entire cassava supply chain, from the fields where it's cultivated to the massive factories where it's processed into high-quality starch. Get ready to see modern technology and traditional farming practices working hand in hand to bring cassava from the farm to your table. Cassava thrives in tropical climates, particularly in Africa, Asia, and Latin America, where warm temperatures and rainfall provide ideal growing conditions. Farmers plant cassava cuttings in carefully prepared fields, where the plants grow for 8 to 12 months before harvest. These fields stretch across vast landscapes, forming a critical part of local economies and ensuring a steady supply of raw cassava roots. When cassava reaches maturity, farmers use specialized machinery or manual labor to uproot the thick, starchy roots. Workers carefully gather the roots and load them onto trucks for transport to processing plants, ensuring minimal damage during transit. This stage is crucial, as fresh cassava roots can spoil quickly due to their high moisture content, making efficient logistics essential. At the factory, the cassava roots undergo thorough washing to remove dirt and impurities. Powerful machines then peel the roots, stripping away the outer skin to reveal the clean white flesh beneath. Next, the peeled cassava is grated into a fine pulp, ready for starch extraction in the next step of the process. The grated cassava pulp is mixed with water and passed through high-speed centrifuges to separate the starch from the fiber. This process uses modern technology to maximize yield and ensure consistent quality. The extracted starch is then collected and prepared for drying, while the leftover fiber is often used for animal feed or other purposes. The wet starch is spread across large drying trays or fed into industrial dryers to remove excess moisture. This step is essential to produce a stable, shelf-ready product that can be stored and transported worldwide. Once dried, the starch is carefully packaged into bags or containers, ready to be shipped to customers around the globe. Modern cassava processing plants handle thousands of tons of roots daily, using advanced machinery to maintain efficiency. These facilities operate with strict quality control measures to ensure a consistent and safe product. The scale of these operations highlights the importance of cassava as a major player in the global starch industry. From Asia to Europe and beyond, cassava starch plays a crucial role in food production, paper manufacturing, and textiles. Global trade networks ensure that the hard work of farmers and processors benefits millions of people worldwide. As demand grows, innovation continues to drive improvements in cassava processing technology. Sustainable practices and efficient supply chains are becoming more important to meet environmental and economic goals. The future looks bright for cassava, with opportunities for farmers and processors to thrive in a globalized market. Cassava processing is a testament to human ingenuity, transforming a humble root into a valuable commodity. From farm to factory, every step of the journey supports livelihoods and feeds industries around the world. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into modern agriculture and food processing.
Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon. Write your suggestions into comment box. Stay tuned for more amazing content.